What's up, you guys? It's your girl Leah and I'm back with another vibe. So as you read by the title of this video, you already know what the vibe is for today. If you're a returning subscriber, you know what the vibes is. And if you're new to this channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on your post notification bell to make sure that you're here on time and tune in to one of my lit videos. I haven't done this in like so long, but I'm gonna take y'all through how I got this style. And by the way, we're recording off a camera. Oh, great. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into this video.
Let me get in there real quick. Spark it up. I was drowning in your love, I cleared my head with instruments. We made each other a little crazy. We gotta forgive, but don't forget them. Life broke me to pieces, love was split. I'm just as guilty, I'm not a victim. I'm tired of finding depression, always fucking on my system. I find the strength to get up on my bed even though it hurts. I'm looking at alums that got some motivational words. You keep on working on your craft, you get that fame that you deserve. You got some demons in your path, now will you hit it, will you swerve? 21, I ain't even started, ain't got no time to lose my nerve. Can't even afford my own apartment, I've been putting in halfway work. Cause this pain and misery, the only friends that I deserve. So a life a little bit better, you keep throwing my ass curves. Me and God not on speaking terms, but whilst I've been to church, I'm getting tired of spending y'all feelings, always put mine in the dirt. This just a fucked up game you started, now I'm finna do my worst. Another setback back a harder man, I'm starting to think I'm cursed. Hoping I don't dawn tomorrow, another face that's on the shirt. So I got a handful of Perkies and I eat them like some Skittles. Physical pain ain't really shit to me, it barely even tickle. Cause my life a ticking, talking, I'm just waiting on the sickle. I've been working fucking check to check the solid, waiting on the first. Nigga looking at me so it's fuck around and rob me first. I've been through a lot of shit, I'm sad to say I'm used to hurt. Said you wanna talk to me, but you the one that's hollering first. I don't really want you, I just need something to quench my thirst. They bad for each other, but they somehow always make them cars and pros on the page. This is jailbait work, cause your love made me crazy and made me down berserk. Oh, oh, I will make you sing. Oh, when it thunder, when it rain. Oh, oh, we all supposed to be the same. Oh, 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 I will make you sing. Oh, when it thunder, when it rain. Oh, we all supposed to be the same. Oh, 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 I will make you sing. Oh, when it thunder, when it rain. Oh, we all supposed to be the same. Oh, oh, I will make you sing. Oh, when it thunder, when it rain. Oh, we all supposed to be the same. Oh, I'm still abusing myself with women like that prescription off a shelf. Got a peak pussy addiction, keep on drowning myself in wells. I gotta learn to free my spirit so I can be my higher self. I always hated disappointment, so I'm scared to love myself. I gave myself another chance, I promise this time it'll be different. And if my demons start to whisper, I just pretend that I can't hear it. Cause the only time the darkness grab you is when you fucking fear it. The locker in my heart's too full, I need to clear it. Had to change my mindset cause I ain't like how I was living. I started taking advantage of all the time that I was given. Her biggest fantasy is fucking naked on the islands in it. She got the body of a dancer, the way she work it, way she spin. We even fucking on the turf, we can't keep our hands up off each other. She always pulling pants strings when we laying on the covers. But I'm always be a jet if you ever take me to meet your mother.
I've been obsessed with you, girl. Together, me and you. And when I think about it, baby, ain't nobody else like you. Like the two can't follow my nose, cause you got the fruit. Baby, you can come on over, do what you gon' do for the weekend. How about it, baby, me and you? Only have two dreams, little baby, promise one of them is you. So are we linking for the weekend? Take your struggles and your heart and get the mixin'. Ain't no love for us, little baby, we pretending. Ain't no love for me, cause baby, ain't no fixing me. How you on the top, but you the one not listening. Cause you gon' get me all, baby, that's my thing. They don't understand, they don't feel my vibe. I want it, I'm up on it. Tell me that you love me, I feel so unwanted. Stuck up on my brain and it's exactly what she wanted. Stay away from me because you really not a friend of mine. My soul have been burnt, that shit over, it's solidified. I can't even say how a nigga really feel inside. Why you do me like that, baby? You push me right to the side. Ooh, I want it, I'm up on it. Tell me that you want me, I feel so unwanted. The way we feel each other, we attract, girl, let's be honest. I be waiting for you, baby, know that for the longest. So we linkin' for the weekend. And she know in her heart she a vixen. Take your struggles and your heart and get the mixin'. Say you wanna talk, but you the one not listening. You gon' give me up, baby, that's my thing. Fucking up my heart and I just can't maintain. Can't do that, it be a short. They don't wanna go to war. Rip him up, he get tore. This the start, this the lore. And feel like this little baby I can't say I have before. Monsters in the deep, from the gut when they roar. She got my emotion mixed up, just like it's a whore. Put pressure on my heart, I can't take it anymore. Why your demons hurt me soon as you come through the door? Reach the bottom of the bottle, gotta hit the store. Ay, need my crew, we run it up, nobody do like that. Ay, she got at it, we told her to go ahead, throw it back. Me, my nigga Vex, we spittin' fire on the track. Why you made me wait so long, you know I wanted that. I got tired of trying to hit your phone cause you won't answer that. Got her singing well, oh, cause you know I'm all in that. Ooh, I want it, I'm up on it. Tell me that you want me, I feel so unwanted. Boy, hit the scene, bet I'm gonna be iconic. Say I finish big, he too fast, hypersonic.
Can't let you go, can't let you go, can't let you go, please don't, baby. Can't let you go, can't let you go, can't let you go, please don't, baby. Pain in your eyes, you say it's stress, I'll be here if you let me. I remember all from your head to your toe. I think I still care, I'm just letting you know. My soul kinda froze to the touch like some snow. We got two different paths, one yellow brick road. Big egos on the way with no room to grow. We say shitty things with no self-control. When I sneak in the truth, but I say it's a joke. When I'm too pissed off, I be doing the most. I'm going 6 months in, fresh hell with a ghost. I'm just a young nigga tryna run from the post. Got a cold, need love, I'ma pull me a dose. I don't wanna die, no time getting close. Keep pushing the line to see what it provokes. Prescribe heartbreak with the dark diagnose. Some medicate with bitches who fake on their posts. Don't give them your heart cause they think it's a joke. Can't keep up with lovers, it's a slippery slope. And drowning my problems with bottles and dope. Keep abusing myself, but it's still not enough. I promise to stop, but she calling my bluff. I done been through some shit, so it shouldn't be tough. My brain been conditions, I'm used to being rough. I was too immature, so I didn't give a fuck. I remember us fucking in your daddy drunk. I remember it all from your head to your toe. I think it's the care, I'm just letting you know. It's another new day, still taking it slow. It's the us going slow with my hand on your throat. The hardest thing really was letting you go. Need to hold it together, got no time to mope. I need me a upper, I kick back and smoke. We put in the chips, now we both going for broke. Is it heartbreak or whatever it is? Used to dream about having my kids. I've been on the ground trying not to reminisce. You running through my mind, they making no sense. Your friend group too nosy, they stare in our business. Can't shit on your name to this day, you the realest. I don't even need to say cause I know you can feel it. Get rid of old habits, we gotta move different. Remember it all from your head to your toe. I think I still care, I'm just letting you know. My soul kinda froze to the touch like some snow. Got two different paths, one yellow brick road. Big egos in the way with no room to grow. We say shitty things with no self-control. When I sneak in the truth, but I say it's a joke. When I'm too pissed off, I'll be doing the most.